if your store is not available and nobody can access your store, then this video is for you. I'm going to be showing you guys 2 ways on how you can fix this problem. Now, the first thing you need to do, guys, is to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on plan and make sure you select a plan. Now, a lot of people think that they can start Facebook ads, or they can start Shopify without paying for the plan. Like Shopify gives you like 4 days free trial, but on these 4 days you can't really make your store public. Like nobody will be able to see your store if you are not paying for the plan. Okay, now what you need, guys, you need to select a plan. You need to click on choose a plan, like in case you didn't do that. Okay, like I said, I'm gonna be showing you guys 2 methods on how you can fix this. Now you want to click on choose a plan, and after that, guys, you want to go with the basic one. If you are starting out, like if you are just starting, then go with the basic one, and you will have to have like $1 in your credit in your bank account. Like go with choose the basic, and you need to enter here your credit card. That's it, guys. So your card, like Shopify will charge your card $1, as you can see. So it's not that much, and you will have 3 months of Shopify. Now you will not pay anything until 3 months pass. Okay, now that's the beauty of Shopify. Now after you do that, guys, after you start paying for the Shopify, you want to click on online store. Okay, and you need to click on preferences, and you want to scroll down, and you want to remove like this. You want to uncheck restrict access to visitors or passwords. Now to uncheck this, you need to select a plan. Like I said here, like you see here, it says here to let anyone access your online store, pick a plan. Now after you pick, guys, a plan, after you pay Shopify subscription, like I said, $1, you need to uncheck this where it says restrict access to visitors with passwords. It's a grid for me because I am not paying for the plan. Now for you it will be blue or whatever. You just need to uncheck that, and you need to click on, yeah, that's it. After you check that, guys, you need to click on save in the top right, and that's it, guys. Your store will be public and people will be able to buy from your store. Now if you don't understand this, or it's hard for you, I made a second video just like this one, but it's easier for beginners who don't understand the process. It will help you a lot. Please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video.